Jasmine.
Hi.
She's Sam. Okay, so today we're making cake-like brownies. Here are the ingredients: 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. 1/4 cup of water. 1/4 cup of water. And 3/4 cup of oil. And what you need is a measuring cup, a whisk, or 2 whisks, because we're both going to mix them. Of course, the most important part, the mix thing, and a bowl and a pan. So, today, so we're going to start off pouring the mix into the bowl.
Hey, shut up.
Okay, we're going to start pouring this. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah. Oh no. Okay, just put all over that. Make sure. And then, you could start with anything. Like, you could put the oil first.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter. And then, Sam, what do you want to do?
Eggs. Because,
Do you know how to crack them?
No.
Okay.
Not on that, Jess.
Hey, shut up.
Oh yeah, and make sure you wash your hands before you do all this. We already did. So yeah.
There's like a trick when you crack it and then twist and take it all out.
Can I put this in the measuring cup?
Yeah, because we don't really need it now.
Shut up! You grown man.
Oh my god!
Okay. Egg 2, drop. Egg 3, lucky it didn't break. Egg 3, dropped, and I got some on me.
Done.
Next, wash your hands. Water. Plop. Alright, and now, the fun part. Whisking.
Whiskies.
Yay! Make sure you get the
the
lumps
yeah.
and stuff. Just mix it around so
Nice and brown. You want it to be all black.
and poopy color. It's a poopy color. If you ever looked at poop, yeah, it's supposed to be like that.
Just don't be racist.
Okay. It's not racist.
Yeah, it is. You just call black people poop. You have these parts too.
Yeah, make sure you get the sides too. And
I just want to lick this, but I might puke. Jazz!
it's good. We're making cake-like brownies. I already mentioned that. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you did. You want to get all of these so that way when you mix it, it's
So nice.
nice and
Make sure you get all the lumps out, because if you put it in the pan and in the oven with lumps,
so just get
then you'll get sick.
Jazz, chill out.
Chill. I'm raping you.
Does this really get some?
Yeah. Make sure you get an adult.
Shut up!
Make sure you get an adult to put the oven in, or someone 13 and older.
Which we have.
That's recording.
You know what we forgot to mention?
What?
The cameraman.
Oh yeah, cameraman, 13 years old, putting thing in the oven. Devin saying, everybody. MrDevinBaseball.
But you forgot the...
But
yeah.
But it got deleted.
We made some more videos, but it wasn't cooking. It was just parodies. Or lesson 2, very informative. But that was included as bloopers.
So good times, but we never even finished the video.
Yeah. It was back in 2010s. We need to get this song. See? How long has it been? I don't know. Don't really know.
So, me and Fania went to this place yesterday. I forgot how fun it was. Play this fish game that was really immature. I'm like 10, so that's kind of weird. I played with little kids jump rope and I failed really bad.
You failed miserably. Do you think this is alright?
Oh yeah, me and Sam are cousins.
Tonight.
Too much information.
This looks like, so she looks like dung from like something. But it doesn't look like cow dung because it's like, yeah. There was one time when we went to New Hampshire at a beach. It was called Ceremony Beach, right?
Yeah.
It smelled like cow dung.
Yeah, cow like.
And the sand was like red.
It smelled like cow crap.
Yeah.
The sand was like.
This looks alright.
But we got some clams, but we had to throw them like back
we
in
like
the water.
whisked them, or whatever it's called.
Yeah, we threw them like rocks in the water.
We skimmed them. So.
Yeah, whatever.
But we got in trouble.
Yeah.
Parents these days.
And then Kenneth, right? We were on a raft, right?
Yeah,
and
and
he almost. Oh my god.
went to the open sea. It's just like Nemo.
Yeah.
Don't touch the butt.
Oh my god. Did
Whoops,
you know
no.
there's gonna be a Finding Dory soon?
Yep, 2015.
Really?
Which is from like 2 years.
Oh yeah, there's gonna be a Pitch Perfect 2 in 2015. I watched that. Like
You know who's the you know who's the son of Dory? Ellen.
Really?
Yep.
Ellen?
Yep. Ellen DeGeneres.
Oh my god.
Is she a guy or a girl?
Lesbian. I mean, I'm really good.
Is there a difference between lesbian and gay, or are they the same?
Gay it means you're happy.
True.
Are we done?
I guess. I mean, this is what I look like.
Oh,
Chill out.
Revenge of the Whisk. Oh. We're done, right?
Yep.
We're done, right?
Now,
We're gonna get an adult.
well, not exactly an adult, a teenager.
A tween. Fine, we'll do it. Okay, actually, changing plans, we're gonna do it ourselves. Ugh, I swear. If we spill it on the carpet, my bad.
So you want to put with the whisk, or
I'm gonna get a spoon.
I'm just gonna put with the whisk. Do what I want.
Oh, okay. Okay, are we using this plate? Because I want to spoon. Okay. I can't find a spoon. I'm gonna wash it.
Just find one.
I'm washing one. 'Cause I'm a good girl.
I don't trust it when it comes to washing things.
No.
Good thing you wash your hands this time.
Yeah, just spread that around. It's no big deal, you know.
Well, it's like
This
is never gonna go viral,
so.
so.
It's how you act on them. It's like such behavior. No wonder why your teachers don't like you.
I'll have you know, I'm the funniest in the class.
Okay. Move, please.
It's not the shit.
Because I'm older and I get to pour stuff in pans. Ready? Woo! Oh yeah, make sure you put butter or oil.
Pan butter, we usually use pan butter.
Yeah. And then on the pan, just like spread it around. Can you spread it? Yeah, whatever. Shout out to Maddie B. You're awesome.
Oh yeah, I have questions.
He's gay.
Shut up.
Just me. Only gay people would say that.
You'll just never be as cute as him.
Yep. Well, that's because he's a teenager and he's like 9,
10.
whatever. Does it look enough? Because there's like still some on the bowl.
Keep
This
going.
is what we do.
Keep going.
This is what we do. We just did this.
Jazz. Jeez.
Someone's calling me. Answer it, please.
Oh. Yellow. What? Home? No. She's on that home.
going.
It's not poisonous.
Okay.
We're gonna need the whisk.
Okay.
Devin's already sucking the life out of it. Devin, did you lick both of them?
Yeah. No, you're not supposed to do this stuff.
Yeah,
You have
don't
to tell
lick
me.
the whisk when you're done with it. Please.
You still need it.
Not like our idiot brother.
Jazz.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Oh,
You have to get up. You have to go outside 5 minutes. I'm just gonna drop off your iPad.
okay. Yeah, now we can play Minecraft.
I gotta go wash my hands. It's like full of egg stuff.
I fixed the problem. Okay, there you go.
Good.
Make sure you just pour it in like that. And make sure you use it with a spoon. It's more easier. You know?
Here, I got it. I got it. Jazz, come here.
Yes?
Let me do that. Let me do it. Jazz,
Yeah.
let me do it.
Okay.
Hold.
I got a towel.
Hold it like right there.
That's our brother. Oh, wait, that's Bulls.
Well, it's technically a camera there. Do we need the thing or we can just like erase it?
No. We can just, don't erase it yet, I guess. You done? And now we're going to take the pan to the oven.
Which 18/Adobe is doing?
Tween. Oh, my mom's outside.
I can't get the camera. I gotta wash my hands.
God.
Devin.
Now you're going to put it in the oven. And how many degrees is it?
350.
350
4.
for 350
24 minutes. 23, my bad.
350 degrees and 24 minutes, right?
23.
33?
23.
23. Yeah, 23 minutes, 350 degrees. All right, everyone got that? Everyone got that? Are we done? Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.